Welcome back to the platform. This is the Jungle Online Mathematics. Thank you for joining me once again. I remain humble. Here we have a case. If y equal log 4x, find the y, the x. We have a function y equal log 4x. And to do this, we have to apply chain rule. Meaning we are going to apply chain rule to determine its derivatives. Okay, we were asked to determine the y to s, that is to say the y, the s of this very function log 4s. Okay, we are going to have this, that to say the derivative of log 4s. And remember I told you earlier that we have to apply chain rule. I will now say let u be equal 4s. And here you can see it as power 1. I will have to determine the derivative, which is the u, the s. And we have to take 1 to the back and to form a product. Okay, become 1 times 4s power 1 minus 1. As you take 1 back, this is only 1 back, you minus 1. Okay, here we have 1 times 4, which is 4s. Here, we minus 1 minus 1 is 0. And under the law of indices, whenever you have a base raised to 0, it's simply 1. Okay? This 1 here, which is s power 0, is 1. 1 times 4, we have 4. Okay? It means that the derivative to u equal 4x is simply 4. We can now have our new function. Y equal log u. Remember I said let u be equal 4s. Here we have it as 4s, meaning we can take it as u in our new function. I'll have to determine the derivative, which is dy du, and it's simply 1 by u. Okay, to determine the final derivative, which is dy ds, becomes the product of the two derivatives, which is this very one and this one. And we are going to have a product of 2, which is dy du times du dx. And dy du is simply 1 over u. Please don't forget that, it's simply 1 over u. And du dx is simply 4. We can still make it over 1. 1 times 4 is 4. And u times 1 is simply u. Please don't forget that. And from here, we say let u be equal 4s. It means that we can substitute this very one. We now have dy ds equal 4 over 4x. Instead, let u be equal 4s. Okay, 4 can cancel 4. And we say 4 here 1, 4 here 1. We now have 1 over s. It means that the derivative to this very function, y equal log 4s, is simply 1 over s. Thank you for joining me once again on the platform. Don't forget to like the page and also follow the page, JB Jungle Online Mathematics. And for the YouTube channel, subscribe. Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.